Around 250 households in Krang village under Soyong constituency in East Khasi Hills are reeling under darkness due to power outage for more than 2 weeks now. R. Maulong, the headman of Krang Nongrung, which is one of the localities affected by power outage, said signs of power failure were visible on the 10th of this month and the following day. Half of the village reeled under complete darkness due to a transformer breakdown. According to the headman, a complaint has been lodged with the Soyong Sub-Divisional Office of the Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited, but nothing was reportedly done to fix the problem.
News transformer ula rimpalan ula slempalan ti kisuduk kitiar kitar kabang ngimtip kaduk syapok ni kaduk kumno ya kata ngimtip kasuduk kensan bet sebak kajingdu jong news transformer kabang nilayo jingtip na kaliang kinongsong snong ti kadai nadu ka shipho terik la sedang penpau sekinar na kabenta ban rit kalai ti hakatwe terik ka ais ndon tedam rengkat ken kaduk sendan
ya bide bener bentat naka leng junga ngaskum kumwei ni kinong song snong mo juko por man yepek lang nam tak imlang salang ka baha kamiat jong kinong song snong berkhaj mar juko por nam tak jing singan jong ki khon ki ti ki jingri ki jingdop maka nambu kanu kanu ki jingma ka jing sound te jong ki tengah ngoba ka fencing kalong ka badan kam hadu kata kata habagi lawan te transformer nak tak jing singan jong ki khon ki ti ki ba ki belong kinong song snong ki be ki jongi.
The Federation of Khasi Jaintia